y'all, it's your girl Quoia Renae, and now I'm back with another video. So today I just wanted to create another makeup look for you all. I'm not sure what to call this look, y'all. I don't know how to like call different makeup looks different looks. Like I see YouTubers be like, oh, this is summertime, this a springtime, this a I don't know, but I created it look. And let's just get into these eyes, y'all, for a moment. Do y'all see these eyes though? Like, do y'all see that? That enough is just enough to just be ready to get into this video. Like, I love y'all. Stay tuned for the video. Don't forget to like, comment, share this video, and subscribe to my channel. I love you all, and stay tuned. So first I'm going to take this light pinkish shade from the Morphe's 35R palette, and I'm going to use that as my first transitioning color. Then I'm going to take my Juvia's Place palette, and I'm going to use that pink shade as my second transitioning color. So this is another palette from Juvia's Place. I'm going to take that burgundy shade and place it on top of that pink. So what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to take that same brush that I used for my first transitioning color, and I'm just going to blend out the edges of that pink eyeshadow. So also what I like to do, y'all, is to lift my brow and just really get in there to blend the edges of that eyeshadow, y'all. Do whatever you gotta do. You gotta turn your head sideways, you gotta bend it backwards, do whatever you do so you can blend that shadow and get a clean finish. Then I'm gonna go in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills palette, and I am going to take that black shade and I'm going to put it in the outer corners of my eyes and then blend it into that pink shadow, that pink and burgundy shadow. And y'all, I use a lot of palettes, I know, but you know, this is how I get the looks that I'm going for. I actually was inspired by this look from someone on Instagram. I can't remember their name, but I remixed the look a little bit, so I came out with this. And yeah, I'm just gonna blend out the edges of that eyeshadow, y'all. So now, y'all, it's time for the part that I really hate, to cut my crease, y'all. And the reason that I hate this part, y'all, is because it is so nerve-wracking. Like, oh my god, you have to be completely still, because if you mess up just a little bit, you got to go back over. I just wipe off my whole eye. Like, I be done, throw the whole eye away, because like, I hate when I mess up a cut crease, y'all. So I have to definitely take my time doing my cut crease. Now I'm going to go in with my OPV palette. I'm going to take that white shade and put it towards the inner tear ducts of my eyes. So y'all, what I decided to do was take a more smaller brush so that I could create sort of that little white thin line that you all see me doing now. And I'm going to go in with my back in with that Juvia's Place palette. I'm going to take that dark yellow shade, and I'm going to use that to sort of blend into that white shade. So now I am just going back in with that white shade just to blend it into that yellow, and then I'm going to take that burnt orange shade and I'm going to blend it in with that yellow. Once I'm done with that, I'm going to take that bright pink shade and then I am going to put it towards that black shade, and I'm just going to blend it in between the orange and the black eyeshadow. So y'all, we are almost done with the eyeshadow. Oh my god, y'all, eyeshadow takes so long, especially when you're doing looks like this. It takes forever to do your eyeshadow. I swear, y'all, it literally took me an hour and a half to do my eyeshadow alone, and that's not even including my brows, y'all. That's how long this video was before I edited just the eyeshadow. Like, it's crazy. So I don't know if anybody else takes that long to do their eyeshadow. If y'all do, let me know in the comment section if I'm alone or not. But y'all, I'm going to take these two glitters that I got from the beauty supply store, and I'm going to use that to put over that white shade. Then once I'm done with that, I'm going to go in with my NYC liquid liner, and I'm going to use that to line my lids. After that, it's foundation time, honey. I'm going to take my Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade 365, and I'm just going to place it all over my face, blend it down into my neck, and just pat that all over my skin. Then I'm going to go in with my Fit Me concealer in the shade Cafe. I'm going to highlight underneath my eyes, down the bridge of my nose, and in the center of my forehead. In the midst of this 8-hour long foundation beat and eyeshadow beat, honey, I find time to do a little wiggle wobble, y'all. I can't dance for nothing, but you know, I can do a little something for my man. You know, we alone, honey, but yeah, that's something you don't want to talk about on here. But yeah, I'm gonna go in with I'm gonna go in with my Sacha Buttercup powder, and I'm gonna set everywhere that I highlighted and around my mouth. Then I'm going to take MAC's Mineralized Skin Finish, and I am going to pat that all over my face, y'all. This gets the beat to perfection. It blends everything. Then I'm going to go in with some blush, and that's from Morphe 9B palette. I sprayed myself with some Fix Plus. This is going real fast. I'm trying to keep up, but I really can't keep up, y'all. Listen, just get into this beat, y'all, honey. Like, ooh, ow, yes. Get it, honey, get it. Y'all, I forgot my lipstick, so now I got it on. I got it on now, y'all. Listen, I hope you all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I love you all. Have a good one. Bye.